Okay, so it's been a long time since I made a video, except for the Age of Empires video game. The reason why I'm making this video is because I've been woken up by a strange sound. It's an eerie sound. I've used the sound of this strange sound as invasive because it seems to be spreading around the house. I can't pin a point where the sound is coming from. I can't really describe what the sound is. It's inexplicable, but the closest, let me put my camera down here, but the closest sound I can come to is that it's like some kind of a buzzing sound, and it sounds to be far away in the distance as well. I'm thinking it could be the hum. For those of you who don't know what the hum is, it's a strange and a very undesirable sound that only certain people can hear, and it spreads, and it's heard throughout the world. But I won't say what I'm hearing is the hum, because the hum is a low frequency. The hum is a low, the hum is a low humming sound. It's like right. That's what the hum is. But what I'm hearing is a kind of it's just not one sound. It seems to come and go in frequency, so it's like bzz, bzz, but it's in the distance. I don't know if I can hear the sound downstairs because I haven't checked, and to be honest, it's now 2 o'clock in the morning, so I can't be asked. But if I just be quiet, right? Tell me if you can hear what I've been describing. I've tried to get my father to hear it, but he said he can't hear anything. And I know it's not me. Right, because the sound is external, it's not internal, it's not in my head. In fact, if I turn the camera away from me, you should be able to hear it a bit better then, because that's the time, and it's dark outside because it's night time. If I just Right. The reason why I've put the camera facing away from me is because I want you people to concentrate on the sound and not focus on me. So if I just be quiet for a minute or two, hopefully the camera will pick up what I'm hearing. And if it does, this is going on to YouTube. It's getting it's getting louder. Where the hell's that sound coming from? I find you, I've had this feeling that I've been watched for some time, to be honest, and I really don't want to perform a fucking exorcism because it's just so draining, especially in the early hours of the morning as well. But as I said earlier, I'll only put this online if the camera picks up that eerie sound. Better Call Saul. 4th season is out now on Netflix. Okay, well, I think I'll leave it there now. If you can hear anything and you think you can give me some ideas what the sound is, then please don't hesitate to leave your comments in the comment section below. Please comment, please subscribe, please don't hesitate to hit that like button, and God bless. It's not me, it's not. Definitely isn't.